How to pin or unpin any post on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can pin or unpin any type of post on your Facebook timeline. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, the first thing you want to make sure is that you're actually updated to the latest version on Facebook. You simply want to make sure to head over to your app store. In the search box, type in Facebook and go ahead and either download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've actually downloaded or updated, you could simply open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in and you open Facebook, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you can do is, from the top left hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see your profile icon or your profile picture. Simply tap on your profile picture right over here. As you tap on your profile picture, you will see an interface which looks somewhat like this. What you can do is you'll scroll down a little bit until you get to your post section, and you'll be able to see a bunch of your posts. Now what if you actually want to pin some kind of posts or photos to the top of your Facebook page? In order to do that, you would first of all simply have to select, let me just choose the second photo right over here. Let's say that I want to pin this post to the top of my Facebook profile. In order to do that, I'm going to simply tap on the three dots next to this post. As you tap on the three dots, you'll be granted multiple options, and right here on top you'll be able to find a button which says pin post, and in order to pin it, you can simply tap on the pin post button. And here you can see your post has been pinned to the top of the page, and as you can see the label which says pinned post, and we have the post which we actually just pinned to the top of our Facebook page. If you actually want to unpin it, again repeat the same process. Tap on the three dots next to the pinned post, and here you'll basically be able to find a button which says unpin post. As you tap on unpin, this post right over here is going to be unpinned as well. This was the easy way on how you could very easily pin or unpin any type of post on Facebook. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.